Up in the morning, first day in Jamaica. I'm gonna say the first morning in Jamaica. As I said, we don't have any light right now since the hurricane has hit in about 3 weeks out to a month. I want to do a first walkthrough of what outside looks like after the storm. This is my live reaction. So follow me outside before we do anything else. Just want to go outside and see what outside look like. Right? So live reaction. Everybody asleep. You know how the thing go like the whole see fridge have to open. I'm sure. See the fridge have to open up for air out because no light not there. You see what I say? So now I have to just clean out the fridge and leave it open. Anyway, there's Jamaica kind of where they have to open up their griller. Alright. Bring it outside. Yeah, we gonna go out there now. So first walk through, first look in my backyard. Of course, the famous mulberry tree. Like it got a hit. But two little what you call it? Two little things sliding over my yard. But anyways, it has been a couple months well now, so the tree is not bearing. I got to get a good amount of it. Yeah, a mango tree right there, so I hang over. Let's go. Live reaction. I'm gonna show you my face first and then we show you what I think look like. Alright. Backside. Run a level down. Chacha youth. So we're not trying to tell me say no. Watch it man. Run a level down. See gully how many going there. Please Father God tell me say at least the jackfruit them drop off a tree. Wait them man, care. Okay. Banana tree them. At least me did get one and a banana. Couple of tree them still standing. But for the most part, this thing level right down. Tell me I have one big old tall wall in my backyard, you know. I really jump over and go get something there down there. So, but yeah. So there's this giant wall at the back of my yard. And I go climb down there to go get some pepper right now. Level down flat. Jaja youth. Alright, I'm gonna check your jackfruit. Yes. So I want jackfruit on the tree, but it look dry up. One me did get off my tree, I'm not even get for taste me there. Sure no youth. I'm a cut last year and I can make my way down in the bush there. See one apple tree here. Right, tip the name of them apple tree. And me say I'm gonna come and try out level down together. See yeah? A half apple tree left, you know? I tell you, sit down in a gully, I said, the fruitful people. Sure, no. Okay, I see one more jackfruit right there, so. Wait there. So, one second jackfruit right there, so. I go for them to come on, but that pack is too high. I go visit the tree to come on for anything. Right, watch it now. See one planting tree there, you know? And if I see it's planting somewhere, so, you know. I go down there for that, you know. Not even know it's a planting tree down in the gully, you know. I go down there for that thing because it's a turn to some kind of some fresh plant now. What not talk about? I go check the whole of them ali come out. I go down there go check everything. This is a plant tree or banana tree, but even know. But yeah, a whole heap of vegetation at the back here, so we just gone to waste. Channel star. Me say yo, if you don't go back go watch my video last time I did there, man. Alright, so my garden here so now. Right. Garden is still standing and looking beautiful. Me plant 2 cane last time there. Last time I there I plant 2 cane. Within there. Right, it gone with the wind. The cane them gone with the wind. Alright. See that? My cane this Channel star. Okay. One. Where next cane there? Alright, so somebody plant them. See there? So cane dry up. Mash up. I forgot plant over. Alright. So this I'm a little garden my feet my farm. Some little garden. So I guess I'll go on now. I'm showing it. Cause carry some stuff from Canada with me, see it there. I'm gonna utilize it and plant. You get me? I don't know if I'm gonna plant up as still, but down there so for sure. Want to take a look on it. Get nice little garden. I have a nice palm tree in my garden. So guess what I go on now? Me I go kinda get a little makeshift fence off right there so. Right? As I say when I own this place I know. A lime tree there so. Mostly nice pretty flowers there on. I go just manicure over here so I go put a little thing and block off myself. We don't own this place. Rent to rent, you don't know anything go until we own for it. So the landlord now so I can use a cubia and do something so. You know I love birds and chicken and them things there so. But that plant so I go use a cubia but the pen that one and look so wonderful. I go probably repair it, yeah. So I go restore them and get some animals. I try to see if I can extend it to the corner there so. Get enough out from. Yeah, I go extend it. Yeah man, I go try buy one grill. So I go drop my grill over in that corner there so. One nice little shade there right there so. Boom so. Yeah. Yeah, I drop one grill right there so. And I can do some cooking. So now if the sun now burn me right there so I can. Yeah man. So I go clean up there so. So I want to see look at they used to have animal in there and see it. Like rabbit and them sitting there. Where they dry now leak, so that's a good thing. I can reuse this. You see me? I go clean out it properly. See eh? And they have animal in them and some rabbit to look like. But me I go refurbish this. Clean up road and see so I want to rake. So some fever grass, so lemongrass, they make nice tea. Yeah, this one I know, what they used to raise now this probably as a birds. You see that bird poop, but I go just clean away yeah, so. Alright, and I go see again, man. Somebody comment and tell me what are those things. I don't know, you know. I go transform this. You see what I say? This is just a little walkthrough, you know. After the hurricane. You see them still no. Them thing I want to wash. Them still not take down. Camera, them pop down and sitting. They still not fix up the hand in them yet, you know. After the hurricane they lock them down, they need to come open them up back so we can get the fresh air up on the veranda and sit. Alright. Want to take a next look at my garden again. I buy some seeds, you know, I come out and do some planting, you see me? Yeah. Alright, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna brush my teeth, get some stuff done, call the family, everything like that. Settle in a little bit, drink some tea and get some food and then little more. We are gonna go down in that gully here. Go see what we can harvest after the storm. Storm hit 3 weeks long. So some of the food them probably dry up. But as I say, two good looking type of jackfruit that I can go work with. I see one tree down way down at the gully like a cocoa tree, you know. You see me cocoa tree so. I can see what I go on. As I say right now, I go clean up on them thing there. The line is still standing, that is a good thing, see eh? Ratty doll. What go on there, man? Clothes and skirt youth. Yeah. After Tyra come pick me from the airport, it's a flat tire. We get in a party. Such a youth. I have to go chew on the spear, you know. Get that thing in a Walmart. This one I use so I can charge up my laptop and thing in the car. Because I'm telling you, say, we don't have no light. So that's how I'm going to use. Plug it in the car and then I can plug in a laptop. You have one plug. You see me? Channel. That is the walkthrough for now. You send the on video call, you know. So what way you find so far? So that's fine. Yeah, we have. So he's an ancestry bathroom, so hello. Too big. He's an ancestry that cover him up by now and family member. It's easy. Yeah. Right in the morning. They say everybody asleep. Yeah. Everybody asleep in Canada. I mean, the first one I was up in the house, especially when I go to school early morning, boy. Died in 2001 in Canada when he was 31 years old. That's crazy. 31. John, your grandfather died at 31 years old. Crazy. That's extreme, but that's extreme. Yeah, get the rim change off to the donut carry up on the road and fix. So I brought some mesh from Canada. I'm going to put up on my back door because here we're going. Way too much thing there. Mosquito there in that place, man. You see me? Some magnetic. Like a magnetic curtain. Kind of keep out the mosquito them, you know? Alright. I'm going to head out to Mandeville. Just a quick little run. I'm going to try to look for some stuff. I want like a grill so I can cook run at the backyard and them thing there. Yeah, my nephew there said speed and I don't know spooky. You see, Tyron I did the driving but he run gone in for something same way, you know? Yeah man, go on the road. So, that tight for now, I reach a Mandeville, I'm going to see what I go on. Can go in a little view of the road type of thing. When Tyron come, make him yell up the camera and see me. You see it? Yeah. Jamaica, a place kind of hot still, but we're outside, you see me? You see Tyron has to see me. I do driving, you see it?
Yeah, man, the boss is up on the road today and wacky. So I want wacky done. But there, man, brother link up, you see me?
Yeah.
4 months now, how long now? 3 months?
3 months, yes.
Yeah, God.
Time run off fast, you know?
That's fun.
Yeah, man.
3 months feel like nothing want you.
Nothing.
But there are people, I touch the road, man, show up for today.
Yeah, my driver, man. Yard man driver, you see. I just did that driving, man. Like I tell, so. I know where I'm going.
Switch back road. Over there, man, outside today.
So you are entering to the Mandeville town right now. See a couple places where the roof lift up well, some tree tear down. But Mandeville not that bad. Based on what I see St. Elizabeth look, Mandeville not looking bad. You know? Right there, so. Yeah, I pull up back at the bus, yeah. Go on up. No, man. Up there, say I go park. Go up. Yeah, pull in there, so. Alright, so there now, I check out some stuff. $1,500 we have some Dutch here.
You know you want something.
I want to get some pot right there, you know.
We're having big sale.
Brother, I suppose to have it real.
$1,000 shirt.
So see them at Tyrone, more grab two like of this.
Shoes.
And Humber Billy Green. How am they? Bashment at the boat.
Hello. Yes, you. We have been saying.
Oh,
You're not
I am
hearing
this.
me. I said we haven't.
Go on.
Yeah,
Me did check in already, you know. Yeah, say you do the custom grill them.
1,500.
hello, come back, man.
Can just back on the side right now, please.
Yo, Jamaica mad. Everywhere you go, Vybz Kartel play down here. You know, say General just get free up a couple minutes ago. Yeah. So we're there in Jamaica live. You see me? Vybz Kartel playing in the background.
Right there, no. Yes.
Everybody a play Vybz Kartel today. Yes. Everybody in our town a Vybz Kartel today. Yeah man, just calm down, everything calm down, but you don't know things set, you know. Cartel get free up today and a bag of thing. You don't know me that to tap in and just give me 2 cents on this and them something, you know. You know, over the years I never shy away from say, yo, Cartel has been one of the most inspirational person throughout my life as a high school youth. You see it? Yeah man, I mean never take from the negative aspect of his music, I take for the positive. Unfortunately, and every youth can say that. You see me, growing up in high school, I used to feel like a youth them with a big backpack them come to school and carry all of them book and wear glasses could have make it out to something. Cartel come as a youth with tattoo up and all of them things and say, youth, you can be yourself and be an intellect at the same time. And that's how I garnered my intellect, you know what I say? And just step in on myself and be myself, you see me? So, needless to say, I know me turn out good. And me have better to become even the best. So, big up Cartel. I am not here to say, yo, murderer, this, that, what everybody want to preach and get freed. So, nobody can say the man has been convicted or is still guilty of. Even if he was guilty of, he did more than a life sentence already. Because typically a life sentence is 30 years. And when they do that, they are 15 and he do 13. You know what I say? However, as I say, he get freed up. And my greatest thing is for see him get back to him health. Because nobody deserves to be in such inhumane situation behind bars. You see where I forward from? And again, the next greatest thing is a family man like myself, so he gets to be with his family. So with that said, man, big up on yourself, you see me? And big up your teacher. You know what me say? You know about sardine.
Me know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Check out the Morris Time Cooking channel, man. Never shy away from that, you see me? So big up Cartel, congratulations, and hope you enjoy yourself with your family. You see me I say? And just stay out of crime, as we say. And tell you them to stay out of crime, because crime don't pay. It only lead to 2 roads: life in prison or death. So do the right thing, you see me? Big up on yourself, enough love for love. We are going to sign off and get some sleep.
You have